Welcome to our lesson on the Cybersecurity Career Path. Today, we will explore expert viewpoints and insights that can guide your journey in this dynamic field. In cybersecurity, there are diverse roles such as analysts and engineers. Analysts focus on monitoring systems, while engineers design secure infrastructures to protect against threats. As we progress, remember that the future of cybersecurity is bright. There are endless opportunities for growth and specialization in this field. To succeed in cybersecurity, you need both technical and soft skills. Technical skills include programming, while soft skills like communication enhance teamwork and problem-solving. Navigating your career in cybersecurity often starts with entry-level positions like security analyst. As you gain experience, you can advance to roles such as security architect. Certifications like CompTIA Security Plus and CISSP can significantly boost your credentials. These certifications validate your knowledge and skills in cybersecurity. Networking is crucial in cybersecurity. Building connections with professionals can lead to new opportunities and insights. Joining professional organizations like ESA and ISC Superscript 2 can enhance your career. These organizations provide resources, networking, and training opportunities. This quote emphasizes the importance of networking. Remember, networking opens doors to opportunities you never knew existed. In cybersecurity, staying current is essential. Following trends and participating in workshops can enhance your knowledge and adaptability. Utilizing online resources like Coursera and Cybrary can enhance your learning. These platforms offer a range of courses and materials to support your journey. Finding a mentor in cybersecurity can provide invaluable insights. Building strong relationships with mentors can lead to significant career growth. Internships play a crucial role in gaining practical experience. They provide a platform to apply your knowledge in real-world scenarios. Internships offer real-world experience and valuable networking opportunities. They are essential for building your resume and making industry connections. This quote highlights the significance of internships. Remember, internships are the bridge between education and employment. Preparing for interviews is essential to stand out as a candidate. Researching the company and practicing common questions can significantly boost your confidence. To make a great impression during interviews, dress professionally and follow up with a thank you email. These small gestures can set you apart from other candidates. The future of cybersecurity looks promising, with a growing demand for professionals. However, as technology evolves, so do the threats we face. As we conclude this lesson, reflect on your cybersecurity journey. Remember, continuous learning and networking are key to success in this field. This quote encapsulates the essence of success in cybersecurity. Dedication and continuous learning are vital for your career growth. To expand your knowledge, consider reading books and enrolling in advanced online courses. These resources can deepen your understanding of cybersecurity. Stay connected by following industry leaders on social media and participating in forums. Engaging with peers enhances your learning and keeps you updated. Thank you for joining this lesson on the Cybersecurity Career Path. Your journey in cybersecurity is just beginning, and we wish you success ahead. As you move forward, explore further opportunities in cybersecurity. Remember, continuous learning is the key to success.